Hi, I'm Michelle. Welcome back to Finally Revealed. In this episode, I want to talk about something that is in contracts that, in my experience, has been overlooked when companies are signing contracts, when individuals are signing contracts. Now, it's going to depend, how big of a deal this is to you is going to depend on how likely it is that this clause will have to be enforced. And the clause I'm talking about is a jurisdiction and venue provision. Is in the remedies part, which talks about if one or both of the parties don't follow the contract, and if either side goes to court or arbitration to have the contract interpreted. That is going to be a jurisdiction and venue provision, and most often the reason that is included is because somebody is agreeing to go someplace else. If you are waiving or you're waiving any challenge to jurisdiction or venue, you are agreeing to appear in a court wherever it's specified in the contract, meaning they can sue you there. Most often, if there is not a provision that waives or agrees to jurisdiction and venue in the event of a dispute, either through court or arbitration, the party, now not always because there's different rules, but the party who's enforcing it, if one party is in one state and the party who has not performed, they will go to sue where the party who hasn't performed is. Now, there are reasons why you want to do that, because then to pursue and enforce the judgment, that's going to be easier. You can't count on that all the time because we have what you call long arm jurisdiction statutes in different states that allow for someone out of state to be sued in their state based upon certain circumstances and certain factors. But if it's in a contract that says upon default the parties agree to go to arbitration and the arbitration will occur in Detroit, that's what's going to happen. And if you live in Kentucky, that might not be so bad. But if you live in Utah, that's pretty far. So you want to pay attention to that both. And if there's a dispute, where will that be litigated or arbitrated? Again, it's not going to come up in every single situation, but if there's a problem or you're getting to where you have a problem and you pull out that contract to see what you're up against, this is a consideration that you really want to look at because it may affect a lot of things. It's going to cost you money for travel. You're going to have to find an attorney or representative in that state. It might be extra inconvenient for you. It also, in some states, it could make it easier for them to pursue and obtain a judgment against you. So it's just an issue that I thought was worthy of being raised and for you to know about. So if this was helpful to you, let me know. Give us a thumbs up. If you have a comment or a question, put it in the comments. Follow us on Twitter or Facebook to learn about the new videos, or the easiest way is to subscribe. I'm Michelle. I'll see you next time.